About to show you a passive income that's brand new, that's going to change the way that you earn money online in 2023. There's no recruiting necessary. I've got some amazing pre-launch bonuses for you. It's time to start making money online without selling anything and without recruiting a single person. Let me introduce you to SafuX, the world's first auto rebasing layer 1 blockchain, and Johnny Blockchain, the world's first DEX AI trading robot, and some of the most advanced crypto tools that you'll find on the market. SafuX is your gateway into Johnny Blockchain, and Johnny Blockchain is your gateway to unlocking multiple passive incomes on the SafuX ecosystem. SafuX association with Johnny Blockchain is in pre-launch, so let's get into the real meat and potatoes of things and the potential earnings that you could earn with Johnny Blockchain and SafuX association. Well, there are 6 ways that you can earn. So the first way that you could earn is through the Safu deposit fund. That's a daily income of up to 1.75% that's paid out weekly directly into your wallet. The second way is the rebases that you will earn directly from your wallet of up to 3.5% daily for the first 8 months. Affiliate commissions over 3 levels. Robot commissions over 3 levels. Every time our AI bot carries out a successful, profitable trade, you will earn a commission over 3 levels, meaning that you will earn commission from other people trading using the Johnny Blockchain AI trading robots. The arbitrage sniffer. You can use our arbitrage sniffer tool to sniff out arbitrage trades to earn even more income. And of course, on top of that, you'll have access to our AI trading robots that work both with decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. More and more people are losing trust, holding their funds on centralized exchanges only to have them stolen from them when the company goes bankrupt. Well, our AI trading robot works with decentralized exchanges where you have full control of your funds inside your wallet. And on top of all this, you're going to get access to our weekly prize draw. And at the moment, at the time of making this video, that prize draw is up to $758. That's going to be drawn on the 26th of January, 2023. That fund obviously is just going to go up, and that is going to be paid out to one lucky winner. Is going to get that fund paid directly into their MetaMask wallet. Now, when SafuX launches in early January, their launch price for their coin is going to be $9. And you're going to be able to lock in that $9 price with Johnny Blockchain so that you can lock in that price before the big pump. And Johnny Blockchain will grow your SafuX coin by 25%, give you access to the AI trading robots and some of the most advanced crypto tools that you'll find on the market. And of course, you'll have entries into that weekly prize draw. You can only get these pre-launch bonuses with Johnny Blockchain. So what will you need to get locked in? Well, you're going to need a MetaMask wallet, you're going to need some BUSD inside that wallet, and you're also going to need some BNB, which will cover the blockchain fees. So if you're serious about having a passive income with this one-of-a-kind system, then all you need to do below this video, you'll either find a button or a link. Click that link, it's going to take you over to this page, and in the top right hand corner you'll find a button that says connect your wallet. That will open up your MetaMask and you'll just click next and then you'll click connect. Once you've done that, you'll see that this changes to say that you've connected your wallet, and if you've already connected in the past, you'll click connect and it'll automatically connect because you've already approved it a previous time. As you can see now, it's picked up my balance. I've got 55 BUSD. Now I want to show you an extra bonus that we're doing between now and the 19th of January. And if I put in there 9, which is the minimum amount you can deposit, you're now going to receive 18 Johnny Blockchain credits inside your back office. So you're doubling. We're doubling up on the credits. So all you need to do is to put in the amount that you want to sacrifice. You can either do a new sacrifice if you've not done it for the first time, or you can just add to the amount that you've got. So I'm just going to click on sacrifice. That opens up my MetaMask wallet for me to confirm that I want to do the sacrifice. And now we're waiting for confirmation on the blockchain. And as you can see, it says your transaction has been recorded under your Johnny Blockchain account. So make sure that you click the link below this video and take advantage of this double bonus that we're giving you right now So you're doubling up on your Johnny blockchain credits in ready for the launch in January so that you can get access to our amazing AI trading robots, and you'll be one of the first, and you'll have lots of credits to set up lots and lots of robots. You have a fantastic day. Make sure you get your sacrifice now. Click the link below, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.